When we think of humanity's greatest inventions, telescopes aren't often top of mind, but without them, we wouldn't have any idea about the nature of our existence. We owe a great deal of knowledge to the world of astronomy, and in recent years, one telescope has been on a mission to unlock all the secrets of the universe and beyond. The James Webb Space Telescope was launched on Christmas Day 2021 and began operations in July 2022. In its first year alone, Webb has made significant discoveries that changed the face of astronomy forever. And with decades of observation time left in the tank, there are even more groundbreaking discoveries to come from this revolutionary spacecraft. Here are 20 of the best James Webb discoveries so far. 1. Sees 13.5+ billion years into the past. James Webb is a cosmic time machine. It can peer over 13.5 billion years back in time to witness the very first galaxies forming after the Big Bang. Seeing so far back is possible because light takes time to travel. The universe is expanding and pushing everything away from us. So the farther away an object is, the faster it's moving away and the more redshifted its light will be. James Webb is sensitive enough to detect this redshift and calculate how long it took the light to reach us. And thus, it can tell how long ago we are seeing. 2. Captured the oldest galaxies ever found. Webb saw the oldest galaxies ever found just 300 million years after the Big Bang. That's only 1.5 billion years before the emergence of our galaxy, the Milky Way. Astronomers didn't expect to find these galaxies so soon after the Big Bang because they should have been too small and faint to detect. 3. Challenges Big Bang timeline. These newly found galaxies are too large and mature for their age, suggesting that our understanding of how the early universe evolved might need revising. There might be missing pieces of the puzzle that scientists don't know about yet. 4. Observed dark stars. Theoretical. James Webb possibly spotted theoretical stars that don't rely on fusion for energy. Instead, these objects, known as dark stars, could be powered by the annihilation of dark matter. If confirmed, this discovery would revolutionize astrophysics and our understanding of the fundamental laws of nature. 5. Captured jaw-dropping cosmic images. From the never-before-seen details of the Pillars of Creation to the glowing never-before-imaged Carina Nebula and the Phantom Galaxy, Webb is capturing the most detailed and breathtaking images of the cosmos that we have ever seen. 6. Exoplanet atmosphere analysis. Webb has analyzed the atmospheres of dozens of exoplanets, detecting water vapor, methane, and other chemicals. Some of these discoveries were surprising, like the amount of water vapor found on WSP-39b, an extremely hot gas giant around 700 light-years away. Webb also found in the atmosphere of a planet in the habitable zone of its star, meaning it could have a liquid water ocean. 7. Hints at potential life-friendly worlds. Webb is studying planets that could potentially harbor life, including those in the TRAPPIST-1 system, a collection of 7 rocky planets around a small, cool star. 3 of the planets are thought to be in the habitable zone where conditions are suitable for life as we know it. 8. Saw forming stars and planets clearly for the first time ever. Scientists can actually see inside the dense dust clouds where stars and planets form. Webb can look through the dust, giving us unprecedented views of these regions. 9. Found supermassive black holes in tiny galaxies. Webb found supermassive black holes at the center of tiny galaxies that shouldn't have formed so early in the universe. These black holes are major mysteries. How they formed and how they grew to such large sizes in the early days of the cosmos is a huge question that astronomers are working hard to answer. 10. Studying the cosmic noon. One of Webb's key missions is to study galaxies at the peak of star formation, an era known as cosmic noon, which occurred roughly 10 billion years ago. Scientists are eager to understand how galaxies evolved from the smaller, chaotic collections of stars that came before them. 11. Revealed unexpected galaxy shapes. Some of the ancient galaxies that Webb has observed are more organized and less chaotic than expected, hinting at an unexpected amount of structure in the early universe. 12. Captured spectra of alien worlds by splitting light from distant planets into different colors. Webb can analyze the chemistry of what's on them. This technique, known as spectroscopy, is one of the most powerful tools Webb has at its disposal. 13. Infrared vision goes beyond Hubble. While Hubble orbits Earth and sees mainly in the ultraviolet and visible light spectrum, Webb is optimized for infrared, allowing it to see things that are too cold or too far away to be seen with visible light. This includes things like the birth of stars and galaxies. 14. Found complex organic molecules in space. Using its mid-infrared instrument, Webb has detected polycyclic aromatic hydrocarbons, or PAHs, complex organic molecules that are possible building blocks of life. PAHs were previously detected by the Spitzer Space Telescope, but Webb's data is much more detailed. It also found other complex organic molecules in interstellar clouds. 15. Studied Jupiter in incredible detail. In a surprise move, Webb turned its gaze on our largest gas giant, Jupiter, revealing new insights about its auroras, massive storms, and rings. Webb's observations of Jupiter were both fascinating and unexpected. 16. Captured newborn planet directly imaging exoplanet is a rare feat, but Webb pulled it off recently when it captured an image of HIP 6546b, a gas giant roughly the size of Jupiter orbiting a star 100 light-years away. Webb will continue to capture images of young planets, helping scientists better understand the formation and evolution of planetary systems. 17. Studying planet-forming disks around stars. One of the most exciting things Webb can do is observe the disks of dust and gas around stars where planets like Earth form. Known as protoplanetary disks, these regions are key to understanding how planetary systems evolve. 18. Unlocks secrets of star death. Supernova remnants and other dying stars are being observed by Webb to learn how elements like carbon and oxygen are created. Understanding stellar death is essential to understanding the life cycles of stars and the chemical activity happening throughout the universe. 19. Monitors the early universe's chemistry. Webb is helping scientists study how the first atoms and molecules formed after the Big Bang and how the first galaxies assembled from clouds of dust and gas. This is a critical piece of the puzzle in understanding how we went from a simple, hot soup of particles to the complex universe we live in today. 20. This is just the beginning. With at least 2 decades of life left in the tank, Webb is just getting started. It's expected to rewrite textbooks, make headlines, and discover new physics. Most exciting of all, Webb may even find signs of alien life. It's important to note that while these discoveries have been made with Webb already, the work is ongoing and there is much more to explore. Webb is a constantly evolving mission that promises to reveal even more secrets of the universe in the years to come. What do you think about this? Let us know in the comments section below. Please like and share this video. Thank you for watching. See you in the next video.